Surprise from Oregon. Привет всем, это Ariana. И мой братик Даник. И мы будем открывать
Подарок
подарок
от наших двоюродных. С Орегона.
с Орегона. So let's get to it.
Okay, let him help a little bit. What is that? A shoebox?
Hit me, take the tube.
Is it a shoebox?
Look,
Looks like a shoebox. Careful.
It's not here.
Stop.
Open this. That's good. This is for you.
What's it say? Oh, candy for Papa and Mama. Yoo-hoo. Is it candy? Let me see.
Yeah, one door.
Yeah.
Okay,
Turn around more so I can see.
Okay, so let's get to this one.
Mm.
This looks like it has money in it.
What is it? What is it? Show me first.
For you guys.
Wait. Danny, can you give me this? Why you have that? What is it? It's like a box with money.
How do you do this?
What are you supposed to do? Put it on the table.
Look at that thing. Oh, this is a lot of money. Look how some of them are tens. I know. Look how rich we are.
Put it on, all of it on the table.
But this is probably for you guys too. We're so rich. No, this is probably for you guys too. Yeah. We're like so rich. Look at this money. Wow. But they're like taped together, so like how are we gonna take it apart?
And cut off the tape.
This is
I thought it was all ones. Доллары, да? Это доллары?
Yeah.
Сколько там, посчитайте.
Один, два, no. Start by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And then 20.
20, 30, 40, 50.
$50. Yoo-hoo!
That's for you guys.
Okay.
Not for only them, for us too. Give me. Put it back.
You like playing with that now?
Yeah.
So now you're gonna give it to Donnie. He's gonna open it. Since you already opened it.
Open what?
The money box. Since you're trying to put it back, why are you doing that?
I'm putting it back because how is he gonna open it if it's open?
Okay.
This takes such a long time.
No, you're gonna rip the money. Just give it to him.
Okay.
Let him feel how it feels like. Ariana,
I wanna hold it.
no, you already did it. Can you leave him alone for a minute? You weren't sharing when you were doing it. Ariana, ты вообще не хотела, чтобы он тебе помогал, когда ты делала.
Be sure to subscribe and like and share on his videos in my channel. Thank you.
What you got there?
$50 for my $10.
From Oregon.
Yeah, working.
We're rich.
We're rich now. Bye. Bye. Be here.
gonna buy? Shopkins?
Oh yeah. Oh, Mama, Mama,